Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in JJS. Blocks are fundamental structures that group multiple statements together, allowing them to be executed as a single unit. This is crucial for controlling program flow and managing variable scope effectively. Understanding how to properly define and utilize blocks will significantly improve your JJS scripting. Let's dive into the basics of their structure and purpose. One of the most important aspects of blocks in JJS is their role in defining scope. When you declare variables using let or const inside a block, they are only accessible within that specific block. This helps prevent unintended side effects and makes your code more predictable. Remember, var behaves differently, being function scoped, so choose your declarations carefully for optimal block usage. Blocks are indispensable when working with control flow statements. For instance, if and else statements use blocks to define the code executed under specific conditions. Similarly, for and while loops rely on blocks to encapsulate the repetitive actions. Even functions use blocks to contain their executable code, making them a cornerstone of structured programming in JJS. To write clean and maintainable JJS code, follow some best practices for blocks. Always use curly braces, even for single statement if or for constructs, to prevent potential errors and improve clarity. Consistent indentation within blocks is also vital for readability. Aim to avoid excessively deep nesting of blocks, as this can make your code harder to understand and debug. Keep it simple and structured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.